gentleman is a dear friend. He is trekked far and wide to be here with you tonight, all the way from Hilo, Hawaii. You know how hard that is to get over here? He got to not only get from his house to the airport at Hilo. Hilo gets some major TSA action going on, let me tell you. Only one scanning machine to get through, 3 hours to get on for a 45-minute flight to Honolulu. It's incredible. And he had his entire family with him too. So, trek to Oahu, then had to wait. Almost missed the plane, had to run to the gate. Oh my goodness, made it on, got on the plane, landed here in California a few days ago. Has been enjoying his time here. We've been traveling kind of up and down. Like I said, we went to Granite Bay in Sacramento yesterday. We were in Santa Cruz the day before that. Tomorrow we're going to be on Mars. It's incredible what like miles we're putting in. But if you guys are ready, are you guys ready? He is a Nahoku Hano Hano award winner. He's brought you incredible songs like Lei Pua Kene Kene, Lei Maile, Kaleo Nalani. Ladies and gentlemen, please a big warm aloha. Welcome, Mark Yamanaka.